Good morning, YouTube. This is the extremely right-wing Mexican in California channel. And we are out here at the Casper shooting range in Northern California, specifically Mendocino County. And I got a private message from a viewer asking where I like to go shooting in California with the hostile environment to the Bill of Rights and the war on the Second Amendment that the Democratic Party is waging. A lot of the shooting spots are threatened here with closure, and part of the reason is, of course, litter, and, well, part of the excuse would be litter, but really it's just the war on firearm ownership. So, unfortunately, there's a lot of refuse and TV, fuel canisters, spent casings that are just left here, and it gives the other side ammunition to close these type of facilities. Super nice spot. I've very rarely had to share the range with anyone when I've come out here. And when I did, they were neighborly people. It's a small community, so you probably knew them anyway. Got a bowling pin challenge going on. I always try and pack out a little more trash than I bring. Maybe you could get an 80-yard shot from the boulders. And a super nice backdrop of the Redwoods. And of course there's California state flower. Not the opium poppy, but the California poppy. In spite of the large number of people checked out on opiates in this state, I don't know, maybe Gavin Newsom will change it to that. Well, hopefully we get out of that one, but just wanted to show off this spot. And click like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. Spend a lot of time in the woods, so if this is something that would appeal to you, seeing these type of spots, I'd appreciate the like and subscribe. This is an extremely right-wing Mexican in California, signing out.